You'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look pretty
probably not,
easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you. No worries. Being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
Flew out.
Custody battle gets messy. While one mother lives luxuriously, the other wants support hold on tight. Things are going to get messy. After the birth of their daughter, Sage, Jana and Monique, two mothers first decided on a 50-50th custody arrangement. No child support, just equal parenting. It seems reasonable, doesn't it? Monique has been traveling and enjoying a luxurious lifestyle free of obligations, while Jana has been taking care of full-time mother chores. Jana is bringing Monique to court for child support because she's had enough of working alone for months. Monique, though, she will not tolerate it. A significant point is brought up by this case. Should parents be held responsible when shared custody devolves into one-sided parenting? Now let's start the drama.
Miss Williamson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so we're here today because we both have a child together and we both have split custody, but lately she has not been around. She has not been able to help me with the child. She's been doing her own thing and I need child support.
I've been working.
That's not an excuse. This is your child that you gave birth to, that I adopted, and I'm spending more time with her than you are.
I got a lot to pay for. Help y'all out, take care of the baby. Just because I'm not around, that mean I'm bringing in the money.
When's the last time you helped us out?
I pay the insurance.
The baby gotta eat. The baby need clothes.
Did I need to leave? I mean, I have to be here because I'm working, but if you all needed to keep talking, I could just excuse myself. What did y'all want me to do?
I need help with getting child support because I'm not going to do this with her.
So now that I can help you with, because the going back and forth and all of that, that's not going to help your case, okay? So I understand your frustration, and I do have the court order that you provided, and it looks like child support was not ordered because you all agreed to have split custody.
Right.
Did.
Okay, so that's changed.
Yes.
All right. How often, like how long has this been going on?
For about 3 months now.
3 months?
My job ain't easy.
Neither is mine, obviously, right? You'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look pretty
probably not,
easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you. No worries. Now, she is working. You're having the child, I'm assuming almost 100% of the time?
Correct.
Okay. All right. You adopted the child?
Yes.
Okay.
I adopted the child.
How old is this child?
She's only 6.
6? What is her name?
Her name is Sage.
Sage. Oh, she sounds so cute.
She is.
Now, is there anything else you wanted me to know before I move over to her?
Her reasoning when I asked her why she isn't spending amount of time that she's supposed to, since we do have split custody, is she's working. But when I go on her Snapchat and her Instagram, she's being flued out and in Miami, but yet you don't have time to spend with your child.
Why you all on my social media anyways?
Ma'am, everybody is on your social media, okay? So let's not act like you don't know everybody is looking at social media.
Well,
And you being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
flew out for the week. No, I'm sorry. I be at work and it be a lot going on. Y'all know what I have to deal with as a flight attendant with all these crazy people on this
Okay,
airplane.
so are you being flued out with your job as a flight attendant, or are you doing other things that
I'm working
require
as
you
a
to be away
flight
from work?
attendant. I mean, sometimes, occasionally I may have a little flued out.
Courtroom chaos. Jenna has receipts, but Monique defends herself. Monique was prepared to defend herself in court and didn't arrive without any justifications. Insisting that paying for Sage's insurance should be more than sufficient, she first stated that she does contribute. This is where things start to get crazy though, since she went to Judge Dau and boldly claimed that Jenna has it easy because she just sits down all day. She did attempt it in front of the judge, yes. The drama really got going at that point. Monique claimed that she doesn't spend time with Sage since she is constantly working. Jenna, though, she wasn't for a moment convinced by that fairy tale. She brought receipts, Instagram stories, Snapchat images, and the entire digital trail. And you know what? At work, Monique isn't exactly working hard. Despite being flown to Miami, having a great time, and popping bottles, she nevertheless finds no time for her own daughter. To be fair, Monique works as a flight attendant, so yes, she does occasionally have a job. Let's face it though, it appears to be much more like checking in for VIP areas than for shifts. Priorities? Totally out of order. Let's examine this disaster in more detail and watch how it develops.
But most of the time I be working hard. I pay this $175 insurance. Like at least I'm doing something. I do my part.
You pay a whole $175 in health insurance. What do you want for that?
Baby could be on Medicaid, but
oh, you know what? That is a good point, but that's beside the point. At the end of the day, this is both of you all's child, which means that Sage is both of you all's responsibility. And you are going to pay child support. Since, I'm just sitting up here, this is what I do. So how much money do you make a year? And make sure you're being honest, because I have your documents in front of me.
about 79,000.
I couldn't hear you.
About 79,000 a year.
$79,000 a year, and you want to be flued out and not give her anything for Sage? You came here to waste my time. I'm about to go ahead and read these numbers off to you so you can pay child support.
Child support?
Yes, ma'am. Child support. That's right.
I'm going to have to pay insurance too?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
need to?
Yes, ma'am. You're going to pay. Yes, ma'am. You're going to carry the health insurance and you are going to pay child support. So, based on your financial documents and what you just testified to, $79,000 a year for salary, that makes your gross $6,583, brings your net down to $5,157.12. All right. How many children? Just Sage? Sage is the only child? Okay.
That I birthed for 9 months.
That you don't take care of.
You ain't carried for 9 months.
Excuse
You know
me.
what it is
Excuse
to carry
me.
a baby for 9
Okay,
Just because a dog had a baby, that don't make it the mother.
Excuse me. I'm talking. I believe I'm the judge. You all do not need to address each other. You have enough issues as it is, okay? So,
That's why we
again, I need you to pay attention to since you like to be flued out and stuff, I need you to pay attention to these numbers as they fly your way, okay? So, $5,157.12 is your net. One child, that bring your child support obligation to $1,031.42. Well, let me go ahead and give you a credit for that $175 that you.
Thank you.
It's not going to be much, so don't thank me yet. It's not. So, let's see. I give you credit for the 175. 6583. Oh yeah, that didn't really help you out none. So, I mean, your child support obligation is still going to be close to what I just told you. So, $5,057.12, one child. Child support obligation is $1,011.
A month?
That's what I said.
$1,000?
Yes, ma'am.
That's a whole rent payment.
You got it.
That's what I'm saying. You got it.
You got it. You being flued out.
Okay. Well, did you get what I just said? Did you got
I heard you.
Oh, okay. Is there anything further?
No.
All right. Did you have anything further?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. You all are dismissed.
Courtroom gold. Judge Vonda establishes the law. Surprising Monique, I was on the verge of tears when Judge V gave Monique her congrats. Pure mayhem, pure comedy, that was the moment. But believe me, it wasn't the end of the mess. Monique now owes $1,011 per month in child support, as Judge Vonda officially declared. And how did she respond? You would have assumed she had received a life sentence. Acting as though the world were ending while conveniently forgetting that she has been evading responsibilities while living it up, she was shocked, stunned, and deceived. To be honest, it was more entertaining to watch these two spar than to watch reality TV. The back and forth, the drama, and the hallucination were all masterpieces of film. That concludes today's crazy ride though. Check out one of these videos right here if you enjoy this kind of stuff. You won't regret it. To ensure you don't miss a second of the chaos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you at the following one.